Super 7-day forecast.
All right, and after that stormy weather, we did see some sun today, but we're not done yet as far as the stormy weather goes.
You know, the weather is just not letting up. We're going to see more rain this week, but for now we can enjoy just a little bit of sun, even if it's mixed in with some clouds. Still plenty of snow on the ground in Julian, and our Pinpoint Doppler Live shows that those showers have largely calmed down. But it's not out of the question for some of us to still see a few raindrops today. A little bit of activity near Alpine, a tiny bit near Valley Center and Escondido, but here in the South Bay we're mostly cleared out, and that's exactly what we noticed when I blow up the satellite radar, because this storm system has left us behind and we can see everything really just clearing out over the past few hours, and that's generally what we're going to see for the rest of the day. Now, in terms of our 24-hour rainfall totals, we did get a lot very quickly overnight. The San Diego airport picked up 0.2 of an inch, Carlsbad nearly half an inch, Oceanside 0.2 of an inch, and so we saw lots of rain, but of course these really impressive snow totals as well. In some areas we are talking about several feet of snow. Mountain Laguna and Palomar Mountain, just to name a couple, more than 2 feet of snow coming from all this recent stormy weather. Now, in terms of watches and warnings, most of them have expired. We still have one. We have a wind advisory for the desert that's going to last only until 6 p.m. So we have about 45 minutes left of that advisory. And the wind gusts aren't as severe in the desert right now, but they could reach up to 60 miles per hour in terms of those wind gusts. We're seeing some breezy conditions around the county. We're going to continue to see that for the next couple of days. Now, the rain futurecast shows the next time we're going to get some pretty substantial showers is going to be tomorrow. They're going to start off pretty slow, but they're going to reach us by the afternoon and the evening. More rain bands coming on Tuesday, and then we're expecting a little bit more for Wednesday. But in terms of the next 2 days, those showers aren't going to be as intense as what we've seen. It's possible San Diego could, however, pick up nearly 1/4 of an inch, and a lot more rainfall is going to come on Wednesday. So that's what we see with our 7-day forecast. Notice chilly temperatures, chance of rain for the next 3 days, and the conditions start to clear out by the time we get a little later into the week. But tracking those times of that rainfall tomorrow, it looks like San Diego has the best chance of seeing some rain in the afternoon. I'm looking at that 4 to 6 p.m. time frame. And then, of course, the chance of rain staying consistent for Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday is we're supposed to see the heaviest remaining showers of the week. Inland communities have a high of 56 for the next couple of days. The temperature rebounds a little bit as we get closer to next weekend, and we're going to see some clouds start to creep in again. And then the snow level for tomorrow for those mountain communities, 4,000 feet. So we're still expecting more snow. And I want to bring up the snow futurecast to show you exactly how much we could get. It is possible that some of these areas that recently saw all of that snowfall could pick up a few more inches. And again, look at Wednesday. It's the day we're going to see the heaviest showers. By that time, the snow level will have lifted up to about 4,500 feet, so it will be more of a mix. And finally, into the desert, they're going to see lots of wind over the next couple of days. So Wednesday is going to be a very stormy day. Yeah.